Welcome to the topic on event binding and handling user inputs. In this session, we'll dive deeper into event binding in Angular and learn how to handle user input effectively. Event binding allows you to respond to user interactions, such as button clicks, form submissions, and key presses, by executing methods in your Angular components. 1. Introduction to event binding. Event binding is a fundamental concept in Angular that enables you to capture and handle user interactions in your application. By binding events to methods in your component, you can trigger specific actions when users interact with your application. 2. Event binding syntax. Event binding in Angular is denoted by parentheses followed by the event name, such as click. Submit. Outside the parentheses, you specify the method that should be executed when the event occurs. 3. Handling button clicks. Let's start with a common use case, handling button clicks. In the template, you can bind the click event of a button to a method in your component. 4. Handling form submissions. When working with forms, you can handle form submissions by binding the submit event of the form to a method in your component. 5. Handling key presses. To handle user keyboard input, you can bind the keydown event to a method in your component. 6. Passing event data. You can also pass event data to the event handler methods using the special vEvent variable. 7. Preventing default behavior. In some cases, you may want to prevent the default behavior of certain events such as form submissions. You can achieve this by calling the prevent default method on the event object. Summary: event binding is a powerful feature in Angular that enables you to handle user interactions and build interactive web applications. By binding events to methods in your components, you can respond to button clicks, form submissions, key presses, and more, enriching the user experience of your Angular application.